What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So we're actually in Jamaica, and we're gonna check out Hellshire Beach today. So that's a popular beach in the Portmore, the city of Portmore in Jamaica. It's usually known for its seafood, crab, fish, all types of lobsters, etc. So we're gonna check that out. I haven't been here in like 5 years, so we're gonna see what's up at Hellshire, bring you guys with us, and we're gonna have some seafood. So let's check it out, guys.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Alright guys, so we're checking out Hellshire today, and we just arrived, and let's see what's up, guys. There.
Distance, babe. The line of rocks where the tires are.
Yeah.
See the middle rock? See the things moving on there?
Yeah, I see them. Yeah, there's a ton of them. Yeah. They be looking fine out there. We out here at Hellshire Beach, guys, in Jamaica, Portmore. Waiting on our food right now. Just brought Dorothy to get a taste of what Hellshire feels like. Get some fish and lobster. Guys, check out how the water has now come up to the rocks. Back in the day, it used to be like a sandy beach area, but now all the beach has been eroded in a space of like 10-15 years. We got the fried garlic lobster, guys, the festival. Vegetables, we got a bammy over here, got some plantains. Pretty expensive, but looks pretty good. Got Dorothy.
Good, my first time. I really enjoyed the food. We had lobster, festivals, bammy, melon, red stripe. So good, didn't even taste the beer. But yeah, great experience. All in all, I'd give it like a solid 9 out of 10. Just because 10 out of 10 is me getting too excited. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you